Although Bitcoin is considered to as a safe investment as compared to other altcoins, but the people who have invested in the last bull run has faced 50% drop in their portfolios. This have extremely affected them financially and also scared them to invest more money in the crypto market. Most of the people at the time are keeping their cash away from this market because the crypto market is just fluctuating down and we don't know where the market would stand in the future. That's why most of the people are keeping their money in stable coins. Yes, not in USD, and those who have invested in USD has already faced a big problem in their life. So I will be updating you with some crypto news and also telling you that whether the bull run will come or not, and if yes, then when it would happen. But first, subscribe up the channel and hit the like button. And without wasting the time, let's hop into the computer for taking a market overview. So here we can see that the crypto market is sitting at $1.27 trillion with 0.03% up today, cause Bitcoin is a little up today and Ethereum is down. From the last 24 hours, it's 1.28% down. Other altcoins like Cardano, Solana have suffered a lot, and including Dogecoin and other coins like Shiba Inu has suffered a lot. Overall, the crypto market is experiencing bearish time at present, but it doesn't mean that we will not see bulls in the future. Okay, so here is the 3-month chart of the total market cap of cryptocurrency. In the beginning, it was $1.8 trillion near about 28 Feb, and then there was a big bump came in March. During that time, people thought that this is the time, this is the second bull run, but instead it was just a temporary rise and we saw a big fall then, which has led to big losses and investors have been discouraged very extremely, and moreover same things are happening in the stock market too. Now here is the 7 days chart of Bitcoin. So here it is visible that in the beginning of the week, it was down near about $28,000, and then there was bump $30,000, $31,000, again dump, and again rise, and again dump, and again rise. Similarly, if we open the 1 month chart, so here we can see that from the beginning it was just falling down, and near about it was 5/12/22, it's the date, and then these things starts to happen. There was bump, dump, pump, and dump. These things are happening from a long time, and we don't know till when these things are going to happen. But at the present, I would say that Bitcoin is just holding the price of $30,000, and though it sometimes goes to $29,000, $28,000, but it's holding up. The main fundamental price of the Bitcoin at the time is going on $30,000. Okay, so this is the Bitcoin chart, and it was near about 4 May 2022 and the main fall started. The price was almost $40,000. Bitcoin was holding that price from a long time, as we can see. In fact, it was more before the fall, but suddenly a big fall occurred here on 4th May, and it started to fall again, fall near about $36,000, and it's 6 May now, and now it's 8 May and 9 May, and it's continuously falling. And why you think that? What is the catalyst that is making it happen so here is the catalyst, Terra Luna. Yeah, Terra Luna, which was holding a large amount of Bitcoins, has collapsed. If you don't know, you can check the video in the description. I have uploaded in which I have told you about Terra Luna. You can see what happened and what would be the future of Terra Luna also. This has affected Bitcoin very badly. In fact, it has put its influence on whole market, and the market has become very volatile from that day, and continuously it started to fall, and it's $30,000 level now, and it's holding that from a long time. So this $30,000 price could be almost maybe 2-3 months more. Not 2-3 months, maybe 1 or 2 months maximum. So if Bitcoin will either rise or fall, it will not stay the same price for such a long time period. But according to the financial circumstances, it seems bearish at the present time. But if good news came usually, so making the Bitcoin price to rise. Okay, so here I am to update with some crypto news. The first news is here, where crypto will recover in the second half of the year. Jack McDonald, the CEO of Polysign, told CNBC that he thinks that the worst could be behind the crypto markets and investors can expect a strong recovery in the coming months. He noted that the falling prices of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, and other cryptocurrencies are because they are seen as risk-on, risk-off assets. With an increasing correlation with the broader markets, the crypto market suffered a massive sell-off, with Bitcoin falling to $28,000 with billions of dollars liquidated. The decline in prices was exacerbated by Terra USDT pegging and from the US dollar and the subsequent death of Luna, which means that Terra Luna has extremely affected the crypto market. As I have already said, the main fall is because of Terra Luna. This has led to a main fall in the crypto market at present, though in before months we saw a fall because of inflation, but at present it's because of Terra Luna. He said, I do still believe longer term that you would see a disconnect from some of the other market trends, but of late it is undeniable that there has been a very strong correlation, he said. I think the hodlers are going to remain steady, said McDonald. I think the real money that's going to be coming into the space sees the market draw down as a real opportunity for the longer term, and I remain very bullish. This means that many billionaires or millionaires stay bullish for crypto market, and even though the market is just falling down, but people are still holding up their money and they are ready to invest more. So it means that there is some future of cryptocurrencies still left, even though there is a big fall. I said in my another video that there would be a fall, and this fall will automatically end most of the altcoins. Not most of means I want to say that they will suffer big amount of losses, as we already see that very much altcoins have suffered a lot, but only Bitcoin and or you can say Ethereum, or if maximum top 10 cryptos are best to invest at the present. We don't believe in the other projects that whether they will survive this bear market or not. So yesterday Terra Luna has tweeted that Terra 2.0 is coming. With overwhelming support, the Terra ecosystem has voted to pass Proposal 1623, calling for the genesis of a new blockchain and the preservation of our community. Here it has retweeted that /the Terra Luna ecosystem revival plan, which has everything you need to know about our path forward. Here it has given everything you need to know about new Terra Luna. It will effectively create a new Terra chain without the algorithmic system. The old chain will be called Terra Classic and the new chain will be called Terra. The chain upgrade will commence a few hours after the launch snapshot. The final release of new Terra Core has been released in preparation for the new chain launch on 27 May. Luna will airdrop across Luna Classic stakers, Luna Classic holders, residual UST holders, and essential app developers of Terra Classic. Community pool 30%, pre-attack Luna holders 35%, pre-attack AUST holders 10%, and Luna holders 10%, UST holders 15%. So overall, if I say that new Terra Luna block launched also, so it depends now what will happen. If it rise, if it became a good plan, if it is a successful plan, then this will also affect the market, and this will give us a small bull run, at least a small bull run if there would be a big rise. Instead, if it fall, then the whole market will stay bearish, and overall we will not see any big bull runs. At least it will take us half an year or maybe more than a year to see another big bull run. At last, I just want to say, do not worry, do not panic, and do not sell. This will lead you to get benefits in future. Don't worry that when will bull run occur. Yes, it will take time because the economy is suffering a big fall. Moreover, the wars are not stopping in Russia and Ukraine. These are also affecting the oil prices, and oil prices lead to transportation expenses increase, and overall the wealth inflation is increasing. That's why a lot of things are happening all over the world. Moreover, America increasing the inflation rates. That's why we are facing a big fall also. Moreover, like coins like Terra has led us to this position now. So I suggest you not to panic and keep on holding. And the only single reason for holding this is when in 2021 the crypto was falling, the great legends have never sold their Bitcoin or any other altcoins and hold till they see a rise. And there was a big rise, and most of the people who had sold have regretted for that and thought that please God, send the Bitcoin to $30,000 again so that we can buy the dip. If we would have bought, we could have got good benefit. But here is the benefit, here is the discount you are getting, so buy it now or never. So this is the last chance. At the end, I just want to say subscribe to my channel. I keep on making this crypto content and I'll update you twice a week also. That's all for today. See ya.